I bet if I tried to think of your favorite thing to do, it's not going to be invite a perfect stranger into your home and hand over a large sum of money. Most of us are going to need help with something in our home, whether it's with major appliances, your roof, flooring, plumbing, or the heating and cooling. Any of these areas can fall into the too big to handle on my own category. But what's an even bigger concern is the very real question, who do I trust? That's not an easy question, especially when your money is involved, and even more importantly, when your safety is involved. It's almost like if you ever hear the words, "trust me," you're going to want to watch your back.